7, 8. So we have so this is our master party. Every we have to live the life. This is the checking point. The most beautiful fountain we have found here. After going long time, we have found it's Nandan Kanan. Okay. The sir has given us 2 hours to cover up this zoo. So how much time I will take? Let's see it. Let's prove the school. Woohoo! Woohoo! School. Good morning. Beautiful nature. Good morning. Good morning. This is the governor's garden of Odisha. So this is the garden. Actually it is a very huge garden, so I can't cover it up all the place. The water comes out from the fountain, so it creates rainbow. This is the view. Everything. I think I should cover up whole things, but I couldn't due to lack of walking. Okay, I couldn't cover up whole thing. And this is Mrs. Precious. Miss Precious, say something. Say something.
Hello.
And this is Mrs. Kim. Say something. Okay.